Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesdays. I'm Juan Molina, DG Shape Dental Product Manager. Today we're going to be discussing the maintenance and storage of the milling burst for the DWX43W. CGB and CGB2 tools optimized for performance. CGB tools built to handle harder materials, offering compatibility across a wide range of applications. Faster milling times boost efficiency and productivity. Perfect for projects where speed and reliable performance are priorities. CGB2 tools designed for precision and superior surface finish, delivering exceptional milling quality. Ideal for materials of moderate hardness. Slightly longer milling times result in unmatched accuracy and refined finishes. Why DG Shape combines both? By integrating both CGB2 and CGB tool sets in a single setup, DG Shape enables users to maximize versatility, speed, and precision, ensuring the best possible results for every application. ZTR and ZTB series milling burrs, smooth cutting surface, heat resistant, reasonable price, and multi-purpose. Typically used for titanium pre-milled abutments. The CGB and CGB2 tools are electroplated diamond, high toughness, high precision for hard materials. The diamond particles are always in contact with the workpiece, therefore they must be cooled with water. The cutting process is different from an end mill. The entire diamond becomes the cutting edge. First, we'll start by cleaning the shaft of the burrs. I use a dab of alcohol. And here's the shaft, and clean it off. Go through all the tools, clean them off very well. And that should be enough. Next, we'll use the ultrasonic cleaner. Just place them inside. I place the burrs in distilled water. So just let them sit there for a little bit and remove any milling waste that's attached to the diamonds. Once completed, just take them off, brush them off, inspect them, and just let them sit there, wipe them off, and let them dry out. What I typically recommend is to keep your tools for the specific materials that you're using. You can take them out if you want to and keep track of them. For example, I wrote the material and the amount of hours that it was being used, so you can keep track of that and afterwards input that information back into vPanel. Make sure you keep them stored in the cases as it prevents any damages, breakage, and removal of the plating. You can inspect your burrs quickly by just looking at the new ones compared to the old ones. Using a magnifying glass, you can see how the diamonds are coating the burr, and if there's any signs of damage or issues. If you compare them from the new ones and the old ones, you can start determining how the burrs are performing. On the shaft side, you can see a marking with a magnifying glass. In this case, you'll see CGB2, which basically says that it is a Roland original burr. This information will also be in the cam side, where it'll tell you exactly the position of the burr within the burr locations in the mill. Thank you for your time, and we appreciate you. I hope this information was useful for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact your dealers or ask directly. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you again for joining us for this Tech Buzz Tip Tuesday. If you have suggestions for a future Tip Tuesday, please email us at dental@rolanddga.com.